These niggas is missing the hard work, they calling it talent. And I find that disrespectful, cause I put on the mileage. Up for the shit, but I'm down for the challenge. Step off the scene just to find me a balance. These niggas don't want it to get it, cause when it got hard, them niggas will quit it.
So much hustle, dog. It's all about that muscle, dog, yeah. Tryna make it out the struggle, dog, yeah. Hey, watch out, this shit bubble, dog, yeah.
Look, shit, I chase hit to make some real shit. Something that they feel shit. Cause all I know is speaking on some shit I really deal with. Like how I fucked some hoes and in the morning didn't feel shit. Was tired of being single, so I went and got a real bitch. Like how my homies quit and left this rap shit, nigga. So now I'm grinding dolo in they absence, nigga. But I'm still sticking to the plan, cause I mapped it, nigga. And I don't care about going slow, just not backwards, nigga.
I put in so much hustle, dog. It's all about that muscle, dog, yeah. Tryna make it out the struggle, dog, yeah. Hey, watch out, this shit bubble, dog, yeah.
Look, niggas don't really want it that bad. I see it clearly now, but me, I really want it that bad. My grind is eerie now. First I write the songs, mix the songs and shoot the videos on my iPhone. Shit is serious, you hear me though? I ain't got no label backing me, it's just me and my girl. So when I blow up, I'ma give it a whirl. Cause I'm overly focused and overly thorough. When it's all said and done, they gon' build me a
I
mural.
put in so much hustle, dog. It's all about that muscle, dog, yeah. Tryna make it out the struggle, dog, yeah. Hey, watch out, this shit bubble, dog, yeah. I put in so much hustle, dog. It's all about that muscle, dog, yeah. Tryna make it out the struggle, dog, yeah. Hey, watch out, this shit bubble, dog, yeah.